Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Kongwa here again. Do you know that there's an air raid shelter in Tiong Bahru? Today I'm going to show you where it is, okay? It was built just before the war and today I'm bringing you there. But in the meantime, enjoy the back lanes of Tiong Bahru. This is Tiong Bahru. Fortune teller, hawkers, wall murals at Tiong Bahru. Okay, so I'm at one of the back streets in Tiong Bahru. My family having fun here, so I'm going to turn out. Okay, from the I just passed by Tiong Bahru Community Center, heading towards where my uncle used to stay. Yes, you must come to this Guan Chuan Street. Once you hit Guan Chuan Street, go straight down, okay? I'll show you the way. This way down, this way down. So I'm heading down towards Guan Chuan Street. Be careful, okay? It's a narrow lane and it's down slope. So make sure your bicycle brakes are working. Alright, so this is downslope. Woohoo! Turn into a car park. The first car park turning that you see along Guan Chuan Street, turn into it and turn left. Okay? So after you enter the car park, turn left again. There you go! You'll come across a air raid shelter built before the war. Okay, I don't think it's open for visiting. So lots of signages here, or information boards here, to give you more information about the Tiong Bahru air raid shelter. Nobody knows when this air raid shelter was built. Just an interesting snippet to share with you that Singapore has a really old air raid shelter still in existence in Tiong Bahru. It's the end of today's tour.